Hey, what's up, guys? It's Khaled. Listen, most local businesses don't even know that they're leaving tens of thousands of dollars on the table each and every month. And the crazy part is that you don't even need paid ads, some gimmick, or even a complicated funnel to fix it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how any local service business can generate 10 to 20 high quality leads each and every single month organically just by doing SEO the right way. Let me show you guys. So the number one problem most local businesses face is that they don't know where to invest for growth. They build a basic site, they skip SEO, they barely fill out their Google business profile, they ignore review systems, and they forget backend optimization. Things like citations and backlinks. After a few quiet months, they panic, they run some paid ads, and then they realize they're burning cash with no ROI. Let me show you guys what actually works. It's a three-part system. Firstly, guys, is about optimizing your Google business profile. This isn't just about having a profile, it's about having a lead generating asset. So set it up right, use the right categories, upload at least 30 photos, write a full description, that full 750 characters, and most importantly, build a system to get keyword rich 5-star reviews consistently. With just a simple review system, one of our clients added on 26 targeted reviews in just 3 weeks. This is them right here, Hawaiian Grill, off Kings Highway in St. Louis. Not only did we get them positive reviews, but we had an AI respond to the reviews to get more engagement. Number 2, guys, is going to be build an SEO optimized, conversion focused website. So what do I mean by that? Studies show that you have 7 seconds to convert a visitor, and most of that is just for the site to load. So your site needs a fast load speed. It has to have a clear call to action above the fold. So that's the first thing that they see when they land on your website. A form or survey up at the top, a keyword optimized service in location pages, and a clean design with 0 distractions. For the love of God, do not put the About Us section as the first thing that they see. Nobody cares, okay? You can put that towards the bottom or have it as a separate page on your website. But when people land on your site, they want to know what's in it for themselves. Once they know what's in it for themselves, then they want to know a little bit more about you. Does that make sense? We build websites that don't just look good, but they're built to rank and convert. And the last one, guys, is having a backend SEO that Google actually cares about. Here's where most business owners drop the ball. They skip backend work like local citations, niche relevant backlinks, proper page indexing, geo optimization, and structured data. Without these, Google won't even recognize your business as real. And once fixed, we've helped clients go from invisible to ranking in the top 3 in competitive cities without spending $1 on ads. Remember, guys, having a solid foundation is crucial for anything that you want to build in life, regardless if that's your house or you want to build your digital presence. Having your Google business page optimized, a conversion-ready site, strong backend SEO, you can create a system that pulls leads in for you 24/7. No ad budget needed, just real, consistent traffic from people that's actively searching for you. Okay, guys, and look, it's 2025. If you're still ignoring your online presence, your business isn't just falling behind, it's disappearing. People are glued to their phones, and that's not changing anytime soon. You either compete for attention or lose it. If you want me to take a look at your setup and show you what to fix, I'm offering free audits. Just click the link below, and I'll see you soon. Yalla, peace.